Mount Etna, located in Sicily, Italy, is the largest volcano in Europe and frequently erupts. On April 5, 2024, smoke rings appeared from a new vent on the southeast side. The sight of Mount Etna spewing volcanic smoke into the sky left tourists in awe. This rare phenomenon, known as volcanic smoke rings, can only form in a circular vent under calm atmospheric conditions. A researcher who has studied the mountain for 25 years said no other volcano on Earth produces as many steam rings as Etna. This has been happening for quite some time, but now it is breaking all previous records. On April 29, 2022, a major storm developed near Andover, Kansas, due to the collection of warm water from the Gulf of Mexico with cold air from the north.